get passed by Earl, you know something's wrong.
Good morning, guys. How's 2021 going for y'all? Everything going good? Maybe getting some improvement over the last year and whatnot? That's good, it's good. How's my morning going, you might ask? Well, you know, it's going. We're about to get it started, right? We're about to get that nice, loud, good morning neighbor cold start, right? Right. It didn't sound like V8 exhaust. Oh, a wee bit lower than it ought to be, right? So yes, the old saying about, you know, as soon as your warranty goes out, it starts falling apart. I don't really believe that, but we are 2 weeks out of my 3-year warranty, and this freaking thing's battery takes a complete dump. So called old Pops, gonna come down here and pick me up, take me back to get Earl, and then we'll come over here with some tools. Looks like our chariot has arrived. Earl is looking good this morning. Let's go ahead and get back to the house, get that battery pulled, and go get us a new one. So now we got to see what kind of a nightmare it is to pull this battery out. See what's holding it in. Looks like just that guy down there, but I'm gonna have to remove this bar as well, which has 3 points. It's probably, yeah. So that guy right there, this bar, and then we should be able to pull it out once we disconnect everything. All right, we got a 10 mil on our terminal connections. Do you disconnect all this junk? Is that how this works? Last one's probably out of the frame. Lay that out of the way. Just loosen it up nice and good. Clamp on this side. All right, so there it is. It does just have those clamps that hold that on. It's got a little Christmas tree too. All right, cool. Okay, so she's ready to come out. This has got to be a prank, Chevrolet. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be, I gotta move some tools. This is gonna be a doozy. Come on, there, baby. All right, I got it. Now where do I do it? All right. Ooh, let me get down. All right, sick. All right, so I'm assuming that's the way you get it out. You just got to tilt it sideways, come kind of out this way. Use this second to get all this crap out. Oh, that's not that fun, if I'm being honest. Not that fun. Oh, there's my little cat. Guess that fell off a while back. All right, so we got the battery in Earl. So I guess we're gonna run to town, get that swapped out. Don't think I'm gonna get anything real fancy, just something with like a multiple year warranty with, I guess, O'Reilly's. That's the closest thing. Ain't got a lot of time to kill today, but we'll just get something that matches this and go with it. All right, guys, well, we got a Super Start Extreme. I ain't got a freaking clue about that battery. That's the only thing they had in stock. It's got a 3-year warranty. I ain't too worried about it. 160 bucks. So let's get back to the house and get that installed. Y'all already know we had to stop and get some good Earl pitches for IG. So if you're not already, be sure to follow us on there. See all the trucks. Yo, when you get passed by Earl, you know something. All right, home once again. Let's get this guy in here. And just like that, our new battery is in there. Go ahead and roast me in the comments if that battery is complete trash and I'm gonna regret that purchase. But like I said, that's the only thing they had, so I just went and bought it because I ain't got time to deal with it. So first things first, we gotta crank this thing up, see if it works. So let's do it. Cold start, inbound. All right guys, well that's about gonna be a wrap for this video. Just wanted to bring y'all along, make a little vloggity vlog. So now I have the OBS over here. I usually like to leave it over at the farm because that's usually where I do stuff with it and work on it and everything. That's where all my tools are. But you know, hey, maybe I'll leave it over here for a little bit. Maybe now I have access to drive it every day, so maybe I'll hop in it some mornings rather than get into baby squat. But oh, they looking good. But anyways, that's about it. I'm about to go get the dogs. I think we're gonna go to the dog park. So anyways, hopefully y'all did enjoy a little vlog, little truck vlog. If you have a 18 or this body style Chevrolet and you're approaching 3 years on it, you might want to be prepared. You might be fixing to get a battery. Like I said, hopefully y'all did enjoy. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I wanted to end this video off talking to y'all because I actually put the split 7s and Gladiators up on Facebook just to see if there was any interest. You know, threw a price on it. Also said, you know, hit me up if you have any trades. So we've got quite a few offers, a lot that were on lifted trucks that just flat out won't fit, like I don't know, 14 wides and 37s. It's not gonna happen. It'd be cool to stuff on here for a video, but it's just not happening. But we have got some G13 and Gladiators, a little bit lower tread, but they look good. If you don't know what that is, I'll put a picture up. We also got 24x14s with 305 streets on it, which I've been wanting to do that setup on this truck for a long time. But I'm also a little worried it just will not work because I have to have really good turning radius on this truck for my daily commute. And I know that's probably not going to happen with that. So a little skeptical on that. And these things are like literally brand new still. So I don't want to get like screwed in a trade. But, you know, I'm tossing around the idea. So comment down below and let me know. Do you think we should trade out the split 7s and Glads? Because we've had them for quite a while. We've had them on all the trucks. Might be time to swap it up, get a different look. But at the same time, I really do enjoy them on here. So, I don't know. A little torn. Comment down below, let me know.